Welcome to this comprehensive guide on YouTube TV and how it works in 2025. YouTube TV is a streaming service that allows users to watch live and on-demand TV from major broadcast and cable networks. It is a great alternative to traditional cable or satellite TV, offering flexibility and convenience. To get started with YouTube TV, you need to sign up for an account and download the app on your device. YouTube TV is available on a variety of devices, including smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, and streaming devices such as Google Chromecast and Amazon Fire TV. Once you have signed up, you can access a wide range of TV channels, including local channels, sports channels, and news channels. YouTube TV also offers a cloud DVR, which allows you to record your favorite shows and watch them later. You can record as many shows as you want, and they will be stored in the cloud for up to 9 months. YouTube TV also offers a variety of add-ons, including HBO, Showtime, and Stars. These add-ons give you access to additional channels and content, and can be added or removed from your subscription at any time. One of the best features of YouTube TV is its multi-device support. You can watch YouTube TV on up to 3 devices at the same time, making it a great option for families or roommates. You can also create up to 6 separate accounts, each with its own login and viewing history. In terms of pricing, YouTube TV costs $72.99 per month, with no contracts or hidden fees. You can cancel your subscription at any time, and there are no penalties for doing so. To get the most out of YouTube TV, it is a good idea to take some time to explore the app and its features. You can browse through the available channels, check out the TV guide, and set up your cloud DVR. You can also use the search function to find specific shows or channels. Overall, YouTube TV is a great option for anyone looking for a flexible and convenient way to watch live and on-demand TV. With its wide range of channels, cloud DVR, and multi-device support, it is a great alternative to traditional cable or satellite TV.